Number 11, y is greater than 4x plus 8. For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given inequality? Okay, we're going to be looking at our 4 answers and seeing which one has all, values that will fit. And if we look at our x values, each one of these has the same x values, 2, 4, and 6. So the most effective thing we can do is look at our 4 options and see if we can find a number x where every single chart here, table, there's the word I'm looking for, every single table here has a different y value. If I start with just 2, it's possible I could only eliminate 2 answers because this one has 19, that one has 8, but these both have 13. So if I plug, 2 in here for x and I get something where 13 would work, I've only eliminated 2 options. So my odds are better at eliminating more ones or narrowing in the field by picking one where every single value is different. Now, granted, this is an inequality, so it's not, the perfect solution. I still may only eliminate a couple of them, but your odds are better at eliminating more if you pick a value to put in where every single table has a different outcome. Okay, so let's start not with 2, but with 4. I'm going to use the 4 value. I'm going to plug 4 into here. Y is greater than 4 times, my x is 4, plus 8. I don't know why I put that extra parentheses. It's just hanging out there. So y is greater than 4 times 4 is 16, plus 8. Y is greater than 16 plus 8 is 24. So I'm going to look over here and see which of these has a y value that's greater than 24. All right, this one does. 30, so that's a possibility. 16, nope. 18, nope. 21, nope. Looks like we have our answer here with A. It's always a good idea once you've zoomed in to check it just to make sure that the other 2 work. And this is a good way to check and catch careless errors, because if you just check one and you're like, hey, this is the right answer, and you move on, if you made any mistake in your math over here, or in some cases where you have to put in multiple values, some problems where you have to put in multiple values, if there's a mistake anywhere in there and you've only checked one, that can slip through. But if you check the rest of them and something doesn't add up, then you can figure out, I think I made a boo-boo. All right, so let's check 2 and 6. Let's see what happens if we put 2 in here. Y is greater than 4 times 2 is 8, plus 8. Y is greater than 8 plus 8 is 16. Yep, sure enough, 19 is my value, so that one checks. And then finally 6. Y is greater than 4 times 6 is 24, plus 8. Y is greater than 24 plus 8 is 32, and my table says 41. Ding, ding, ding. A is my answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com, and if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.